I may have found a hidden gem that has confirmed an airdrop that could potentially pay out big. This is where I introduce to you Kroma Network. Kroma Network is aiming to develop a universal ZK rollup based on Optimism Bedrock architecture. They have confirmed an airdrop where 7% of their tokens will be given to the community. And you can see from this allocation that it's quite reasonable, and it goes to show that this is going to be something that could pay out really big. Now, you can find this exactly in their documentation, which I'll leave a link to in the description below. Now, what's cool is that some projects have already distributed airdrops for similar campaigns, such as Manta Network or even Lightlink. Now, you might be wondering, how can you get started? Well, Chroma basically launched Quest on Galaxy, and this is where you basically have a 9-week campaign introducing Chroma's ecosystem through simple tasks. Now, they stated that as you delve into the campaign, you can complete tasks and earn Galaxy points as well. So you hit two birds with one stone. Galaxy also has an airdrop plan, so this is a great way for you to get exposure to both of these airdrops. They basically state by earning a significant number of Galaxy points, you can be rewarded with NFTs at the end of the campaign. Additionally, completing all the tasks in each phase grants you the right to use a puzzle NFT. If you gather a total of 9 puzzle NFTs, you can then combine them into one, becoming a Chroma Quest Master. And they said that users can join the campaign from November 27th all the way to January 28th. Now it's already January 10th, so this is something that is time sensitive, so you need to make sure that you get straight into it. So, what are these quests? Well, there's 9 weeks with 9 different phases, and these quests are quite simple just to get some sort of exposure of their ecosystem. In this case, you just have to bridge the Chroma. I know it's quite repetitive, but this is a great way for you to build more transactions and more volume within their ecosystem, which could pay out quite big. Now, 7% for allocations of their tokens is quite big, and if you're able to do a lot of these tasks, it shows that you are quite like a quite dedicated member of their ecosystem. And I believe this is something that will be dropping this year, early 2024. So you have a lot of time to do this, and it's a great way for you to get some sort of exposure of it. So I would first start off by creating a Galaxy ID. Once you have done that, once you have connected your Ethereum wallet, you can then start off by bridging into the Chroma wallet. Now, there's only 21K participants, which goes to show that this is something that is quite underfarmed. Not a lot of people have been doing anything with this. Claim the NFTs, do all these phases, and they're quite simple, and they tell you how to do most of them. You have to follow certain people on Twitter, buy at least one key in crew, and it's just multiple different steps. Now, if you want me to do some sort of live stream that goes through all of these steps, I can definitely do so on another wallet so you can get some sort of like idea as to how you can do it. But these are quite self-explanatory as to how you can do these quests, so definitely recommend you check them out so you get a better idea as to how you can get started with Chroma. But I definitely see this being an airdrop that could be worth a lot, so definitely check this out with all the links in the description below. But that's basically it for today's video. I know it's quite short. I just wanted to put the spotlight on Chroma, as this is something that could be an airdrop that could pay off big. Now, there's a lot of people on Twitter that have been farming it, and they've been stating that it's quite under farmed, so something that you should definitely take a look at. But that's basically it for today's video. Make sure you follow us on Twitter if you guys haven't already. Follow us on YouTube. Check out our previous videos because there is a lot of content that you will definitely benefit from. So with that thought, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Have an amazing day. Spread positivity, and I'll see you guys fairly shortly. Peace out, fellas.